Meaning of endure.
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 Endure. The meaning of endure is to suffer or tolerate something for an extended period without giving up or being defeated. It entails persevering through difficult or challenging conditions, whether physical or emotional, without faltering or giving up. Endurance is often characterized by a strong sense of resilience, perseverance, and determination, enabling individuals to overcome obstacles, hardships, and adversity. Ultimately, enduring leads to personal growth, strength, and the ability to persist through any challenge or situation, ultimately leading to eventual success.